This video is sponsored by BuyMote e-shopping application. That application is one of the online shopping app now available on Play Store app.
Listen. Very good. Very good. In this video, we are going to learn Hindi alphabet. Now, see the picture. What is the first one? See here. The first one is A. What is this letter? A. A. A से अनार. A से अनार. Pomegranate. A से अनार. Pomegranate. See the next one. A. What is this letter? A. A से आम. Mango. A से आम. Mango. Very good, children. Now see the next one. What is this letter? E. E. E से इमली. E से इमली. Tamarind. E से इमली. Tamarind. Tamarind. Now see the next one. E से ईक. E से ईक. Sugar cane. Sugar cane. E से ईक. Sugar cane. Very good, children. Now see the next one. U से उपवन. U से उपवन. उपवन. Garden. U से उपवन. Upavan means garden. Very good, children. Now see the next one. U से ऊंट. What is this letter? U. U से ऊंट. Camel. U से ऊंट. Camel. Camel. What is this letter? U. U से ऊंट. Camel. रू से ऋषि. ऋ से ऋषि. Rishi means sage. Sage. ऋ आ. आ से अनार. आ से अनार. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. See the next one. A. 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 आ से आम. आ से आम. Mango. Mango. See the next one. E. 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 E से इमली. E से इमली. Tamarind. Tamarind. Next one is E. What is this letter? E. E से ईक. Sugar cane. Sugar cane. See the next one. U. 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 U से उपवन. Garden. उपवन. Garden. Very good, children. Once again. आ से अनार. Pomegranate. Next one is आ से आम. Mango. Mango. E से इमली. Tamarind. E से ईक. Sugar cane. Sugar cane. U से उपवन. Garden. Very good, children. You also try to practice these